How to remove tags from a Tumblr post. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your blog page. Next, find the post from which you want to remove tags and tap on the pencil icon to edit it. Scroll down to the tags section where all your current tags are listed. To remove a tag, simply tap on the tags and then tap the cross above each one you want to delete. After removing the unwanted tags, review your post and tap the save button at the top right corner to apply the changes. Your post will now be updated without the removed tags, which may affect how it appears in sources or tags feed. Remember, you can always add new tags later to improve your post visibility. Now you know how to remove tags from a Tumblr post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.